What's up guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Holami with me, Stacey Candy, and thank you for all those who have been following this festive season recipes. Asanteni sana, and for those who are new over here, thank you so much for subscribing and welcome, and keep on telling your friends, tag them and tell them to come and subscribe, and keep on watching and enjoying the videos. So for today we are going to be making something very simple and very easy. Remember, we are still in the festive season and it's almost New Year, so this is a meal you can prepare for New Year and also for your sisters and brothers or for your children who will be going back to school at the beginning of the year. Reality check, schools are about to open, so yeah, this is a meal that you can enjoy with your family for New Year or for the children as they're going back to school. Remember, for those who are in boarding, they want something to remember as they're in school, so this is that recipe. So karibuni, let's go ahead and make the meal. And if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe and come here to watch more of these delicious recipes as you're beginning a new year. So karibuni, twende jikoni, twende kazi. So for this, our ingredients are the fillet, 2 eggs, oregano, thyme, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and cayenne pepper, and then finally some all-purpose flour. First, we begin by making slight cuts on the fish fillet on both sides. This is to ensure that once we begin seasoning our fillet, all the spices will get right into our fish without some laying just on top. So ensure you cut your fish fillets into slight cuts on each side. Once you're done making slight cuts on each side of the fillet, next we're going to begin seasoning our fish fillet, and for this we're just going to season it with very simple ingredients, which are just salt and vinegar. Ensure that you don't use a lot of vinegar. Fish fillet is generally soft, so when you use too much vinegar, you'll make it too soft for use while cooking. If you don't have vinegar at home, you can substitute it with lime or lemon juice. Set aside your fish and begin seasoning your flour for the coating. So for this, we're going to use some oregano, thyme, black pepper, garlic powder, some paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and then finally mix it all together so that the coating can be sweet. Next, we're going to season our egg by adding some black pepper and salt. This ensures that we're building flavors directly from the fish fillet up to the coating. Unseasoned coating will ruin your dish. Then now, we are ready to coat our fillet. So for this, we're going to begin by first coating the fillet with the all-purpose flour, which is seasoned. Then next, dip it into our egg mixture. Then return it back into our flour. And finally, put it on the pan for cooking. So we are going to repeat the same process. Coat with flour, then egg, then back to the flour. Flour, egg, back to the flour. So remember, that's what we are going to use. Flour, then egg, then back to the flour. Next, add about half a cup of oil or about 125 ml of oil into your pan and heat it up. Once it's heated, next place your fillet onto your pan and let it sear on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes until your fish is well cooked on each side and crunchy. Remember, keep on flipping your fillet on each side to ensure it cooks. Finally, remove and serve your fillet with some lemon or lime and your favorite starch. So that's it from me over here at Holami. Thank you so much for your loyal subscriptions and your continued support throughout the year. I don't take it for granted. I really appreciate it. And let me know in the comment section below what you have loved about this year, the recipes and all that you have been doing, and what you'd love me to do more next year and what you'd want to see more in the channel. So, and from my side, I have some many more things coming up for you next year, so keep it locked and remember to tell your family and friends to come and subscribe, and let's share the joy of cooking. So till next year, keep setting those goals and accomplishing them. That's it from me. Goodbye. See you next year and Happy New Year.